Today is exactly 7 days since I started this seeding process, and here are the results on the 7th day. Ammonia is looking low, which is good. Nitrite is showing a lot of improvements. I would say right now, if I'm gonna estimate, it's gonna be between 1 and 2 parts per million range, which is very good. Before it was 2 to 5, and I'm guessing the next few days this is going to slowly get reduced even further. Let me see the nitrate. Let me bring it over here a little more. So the nitrate right now, it's between 10 and 20 parts. And of course, that's always a good thing. I think the algae that's growing on the wall of the pond is really taking it out. That's awesome. And so that's it. 7th day result. Nitrite is looking very good. So I'm very, very hopeful that it will be eventually get to that aquamarine color right there, or that teal color, in the next 3-4 days. We'll see how it goes. Summer is here, and once it gets to that color, I'm gonna start feeding like mad. This is the 9th day, and these are the results. It has been quite stable at around between 1 and 2 ppm for the nitrite. As you can see, everything else is pretty much in the ideal range. Starting with ammonia, and then you got nitrite, nitrate, and for this one I included the pH, ranging between 7.5 and 8, which is very good for a koi pond. Nitrite, on the other hand, is still around that area, between 1 and 2, and ideally I want to get it down to 0.25. And this is the result for day number 9. Number 8 I skipped because I was a little bit busy, but there isn't a big difference between 8 and 9, so we'll just go ahead and consider this an ongoing result. And I'm going to go ahead and seed it right now as well. So this will be the 3rd seeding since the initial seeding. So the first one, and then this is actually technically this is considered the 4th piece I put in here, and this should technically be the last one because most people stated that I should just use it for 9 or 10 days, but based on my results, it looks like I'm gonna have to keep going a little bit more than that. So I'm gonna squish it down here and let the system run, and we'll continue to monitor this until the nitrite becomes under 0.5, ideally 0. So we want to get to that teal color.